Hi there type lovers, here's a quick poster design idea for a typographic event. The core design takes inspiration from ampersand, so I started by sketching it several times before I picked the best one. I've outlined it using pencil tool in Illustrator. And although it seemed smooth, I wasn't happy with anchor points. With the help of line width tool, I've started adding definition to the shape and expanded it. I had to separate my ampersand into two parts for the interweaving effect, and in 3D in materials I've clicked inflate and checked inflate both sides checkbox below. I've chosen fine leather in materials and switched color to black. I've set one light source to one side and another one to the opposite side of the shape and hit render. Then I've copied 3D effect to another part of the symbol by holding Alt over the dot in layers and drag them to the layer below. To create visual interest, I've started laying out the headline using bold and punchy type in contrast with smaller secondary copy. When I was happy with the result, I rolled out these visuals across different touchpoints. Animated my ampersand in After Effects and generated a couple of lols using ChatGPT. And that's about it. Follow me for more.